So I thought I'd make an update tonight on the 67. I've decided to go ahead and just rebuild the 350. Started taking it apart. Pretty much got the whole top end apart, and just got to do the bottom end, get it pulled apart, and probably going to put a little small cam in it. I don't know, the thing since we put it in, it's always kind of smoked a little bit, and it hadn't ran exactly right, so I decided to rebuild it. I was thinking about putting the 5.3 in, but I may wait a little bit before doing that and just build this for now, where I can go to some shows this season with it and stuff and get to do a little bit with it. But anyways, there's intake and water pump and alternator and stuff, and there's the heads. Manifolds, radiator, but anyways, that's just an update on 67. Thought I'd let y'all know what was going on. Happy New Year's to everybody, and thanks for watching.